Hey, crypto family. So today I want to cover a crypto-backed loans company called Nexo that's actually launching their MasterCard branded credit card. And you can actually get early access to it either using my link in the description or from their website. So first, going over what Nexo is. If you don't know, they are one of the biggest crypto-backed loans companies in the world right now, and they're ranked 100 on CoinMarketCap. They're up 4% today to 8.3 cents. So they've been out for a little over a year. They've been doing great. And I think that they're going to continue to grow in profits and expandability. Now, one of the best things I like about Nexo is they are audited by Deloitte. They have a lot of reputable companies backing them, and they actually have a actual product. So first, going over what this article is, it's by Cointelegraph. It came out August 2nd. And it says instant crypto loans from Nexo is launching a MasterCard branded cryptocurrency credit card. This development was announced in a press release shared with Cointelegraph on August 2nd. It says Nexo claims the Nexo card will be the first card in the world that enables users to spend the value of their cryptocurrency without, in fact, spending it. In addition, the card does not consider annual and monthly and foreign exchange fees, which is huge. Most credit cards do charge foreign exchange fees. It says describing the operational concept of the card, Nexo says, when using the card to purchase goods and services, you actually pay using your Nexo flexible open-ended revolving credit line that's backed with their crypto holdings and thus not selling any of them, which giving you the freedom to spend today and sell your holdings whenever you want. So in a nutshell, exactly what they're saying here is if you go to the Nexo website, it's nexo.io. And basically what you can do is say you have one Bitcoin, so over $11,000 worth of Bitcoin. Well, they're going to give you a credit limit of approximately 15% of that. So let's just say that's going to be roughly $1,600. So you have $1,600 in a loan that you can get from Nexo. So they'll give you a loan and they'll have an annual APR. I believe the APR percentage is 8%, but don't quote me on that. And then as long as you have those funds in your account, it's kind of your funds are backing that loan. So again, if Bitcoin starts going down, they'll start taking more of your Bitcoin. But they don't touch it and they give you a period where you have to pay back your loan. So this is flexibility of getting a loan on whatever you're holding in your Nexo wallet, but still being able to keep all that cryptocurrency. So let's say Bitcoin goes up to 15,000. Well, hey, you've made a $4,000 profit and you can pay off that $1,600 loan with all that profit and you're still holding the same amount of Bitcoin. So see how that works? So it's definitely one of those things where if you think a coin long-term is going to go up, then having a firm like this is definitely going to help you in keeping that cryptocurrency. So now that I explained that, scrolling down here on this article, you can see basically Nexo provides a lot of crypto credit lines for either Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and a ton more. So there's a lot I think about 10 to 15 different coins or more that they provide where you can invest that in their wallet. And then based on that, about 15% of that will be your credit limits. Now, another thing I want to go over is the specifics of the credit card. So again, you can use my link in the description to get early access, or you can go on their website and click Nexo card. Either way works fine. But then you can see here it says get your Nexo card now. So it hasn't released yet, but it will release very soon. It says access to your credit line worldwide, instant cash back on all purchases, flexible repayment options, free additional virtual credit cards, payments in local currencies, then no monthly or annual fees and no foreign transaction fees, which is huge. So the biggest thing here is just being backed by MasterCard. I think, a lot of cryptocurrency companies, they are not backed by anyone reputable, so people are scared to invest in them. But Nexo is doing everything by the book, following all the rules and regulations. Therefore, is why they were able to get this partnership. Now, scrolling down here, it says it's ready to use at 40 plus million merchants. Of course, it's MasterCard. And then it says it's already linked to your assets in your Nexo wallet. When making purchases, the Nexo Oracle confirms in real time your credit line balance, approves the transaction, and sends you the details in a push notification. So basically what it's saying here is, okay, for example, again, you have one Bitcoin worth, so 15% credit limit, then you'll have, around $1,600 credit limit. It may be more. I'm not sure exactly because here it shows a 50% loan limit from your total market value. But again, either way, you have that credit limit to use. And then you're able to repay that either from your cryptocurrency or just, with your cash, which is something I think is really good because it's a way to kind of just, cut out the middleman and directly pay directly from your cryptos. So that's something I'm just going to leave out there. It's something that's really good for cutting out the middleman, and that's all I'm going to say. But again, there is a lot of opportunity with this card and being able to not having to, sell your cryptocurrencies and then go from there to your bank and then from your bank to paying off your credit card. You can just do it in one fell swoop, which is definitely an advantage, if you know what I'm talking about. So, and then one of the biggest things is all the features you need right at your fingertips. It says freeze and unfreeze your Nexo card with a single tap. So you have this Nexo wallet app that is huge. You can actually block the card, freeze the card, create virtual cards for safe online purchases, and then monitor all your transactions in real time, and then view your PIN and change it at an ATM if necessary. So this is big, just having this all in one and being able to freeze your card instantly, versus other credit cards, they don't have that accessibility. So it's definitely something I like. And then again, 0 fees on all transactions. Again, no foreign transaction fees being the biggest one. No surcharges at point of sale payments, and no inactivity fees. So you can see all your transactions on the click of a button in the app, and it's very, very transparent. And then in some places, you can enjoy up to 5% whenever paying with your Nexo card. So again, they'll go more into that, but you can earn up to 5% with this card. And it's the Nexo wallet app is equipped with military-grade 256-bit encryption with fraud monitoring mechanisms, guaranteeing the safety of your clients' funds and transactions. So something I also want to bring up real quick with their Nexo credit card. It's a big deal. And again, I have my link in the description. If you want to sign up for it, basically you just need your email, your name, and then you can check your position in line for the order that you will be getting that. So I just want to bring that up. And then just a quick thing, they are doing their dividend distribution as well. So if you're holding Nexo tokens in your Nexo wallet on their website by the ex-dividend date, which was August 5th, then on August 15th, you will be able, they had a net profit for their dividend of $2.4 million. So they have two ways. They basically divide that out. You'll get a base dividend paid out to all eligible token holders proportionally to their Nexo token holdings, and then a loyalty dividend. Basically, they'll pay it out individually based on how long your Nexo tokens have been in the Nexo wallet from one ex-dividend date to the next. So this is a big thing to really encourage people to hold their Nexo tokens and to reduce volatility during around these ex-dividend dates, because people a lot of times like to buy the Nexo token before this Nexo, this ex-dividend date so that they can get that screenshot basically of that dividend. It's usually around 6% annual, 6% payment. And then they like to sell. So there's a lot of volatility. So again, this loyalty dividend helps that. So if having a $2.4 million dividend payout doesn't tell you that they are definitely doing great, I don't know what will. And again, that's only 30% of their net profit. So their net profit was over $7 million in the past 6 months alone. So December 1st to June 30th. So that tells you, they're on track for 15 million, but they are still looking at increasing their profits and pairing up with more and more companies. So I just want to bring this up. If you did get your Nexo tokens in the wallet by August 5th, it's already past that date. But again, just for the future, holding them long term can give you that, again, loyalty dividend as well. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And again, I have this link in the description for this early access, or you can go on their website and click on Nexo card. So till next time, thanks for watching.